Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? It is another day, another vlog. I think today is the 17th of February. I feel like I'm all messed up because I missed a couple days of vlogging, as you guys know, but this morning I woke up and just feel so loved by you guys. I posted my video about how I had a really shitty day on Valentine's Day, and all of you guys have been so supportive of that, and it just made me feel so happy that I was so vulnerable and raw with you guys. And I was honestly so scared to post that video because I really was not sure how you guys would react to that. So thank you guys for being literally the best, most supportive community for myself. Like, it just makes me so happy that I have the best viewers in the entire world. So thank you guys again. Right now I'm currently making an egg salad sandwich for myself. Last week I went to Snarf's, which is like a sandwich shop in Denver. They might have them in other places. I got an egg salad sandwich from there, and I forgot how much I used to love egg salad sandwiches, so I'm attempting to make my own, and I'm currently peeling my eggs right now. I did see one comment that was kind of not nice. Someone said that I was being really pouty in that video, but that's because you guys didn't see everything that happened beforehand. I'm the type of person that whenever I get upset or frustrated, I just need time to myself, because it's really easy for me to say things that are hurtful. And dating Matt, I've learned a lot about how to communicate, and we did communicate, except I just needed time alone, except it was Valentine's Day and we had plans in 30 minutes, and he just like wanted to keep chasing me, and I kept wanting to just like have time to process what I was feeling and not be angry. And I think it's really healthy if you need to take time to yourself before you voice your opinions and thoughts, to take that time. So I just peeled my 2 little eggs. Hopefully this is enough eggs. Honestly, they smell very bad. I heard that if they have a green ring, you cook them too long. I cooked them too long, guys. Boo. As you guys can see, it is not perfectly yellow. It's kind of green. Okay, I have some salt and pepper and mayo, and I think I might cut up some onions as well to add it to my eggs. I think I just put a lot of salt in there. Whoopsie daisy. Honestly, if you guys are in the Denver area, please check out Anise or Anise. It is a Viet restaurant. That place was so fucking good. So fucking good. Matt and I got the wings. Highly suggest the wings. Highly suggest the beef spring rolls. I thought the pho was really good, but not amazing. I mean, again, I don't really love pho, but I just was really craving it yesterday, so it hit the spot. But Matt loved his lemongrass bowl. Oh my god, I cannot do this without Matt. What am I talking about? I can do this without a man. Oh, okay, I got it. See? Your girl needs no man in her life. Today's day is just gonna be a really productive day for me. I don't have much planned other than I need to take some photos for my Plan B sponsorship. Again, so proud that I get to work with a brand and company that is just promoting healthy behaviors and real life shit, So it just makes me happy that it's not like me promoting flat tummy teas and stuff like that. And no hate to like girls that do that. Actually, a little bit of hate, because that shit does not work, and I hate girls who fall for it and buy it thinking you're gonna lose like 10 pounds. We're gonna have a super productive day. I need to post some TikToks that I've been making over the last few weeks. I literally go up and down with TikTok. Like, sometimes I'm really into it, sometimes I'm not. Go follow me on TikTok at MissTiffanyMa. I hit 100,000 followers, which is amazing. It is like the only social media site that I am growing on, and it's like the only social media site like most of my friends are growing on. All right, where's my bread? I think I'm gonna make it on sourdough. Not the healthiest bread, definitely delicious. While my sourdough bread is cooking, I'm gonna chop up some onions for my egg salad and cut up some avocados as well. Holy cow, has it been 10 days since I've been in Denver? That is insane. Holy cow, we need to talk about this. Got my chopping block, got my pretty knife. It has been so fun cooking in here because the knives here are so much better than the knives that we have at home. So I need to invest in these knives. They're called Salt. They're probably not super special, but they work so freaking well. All right, I'm slicing my little avocado with this giant ass knife. Gotta concentrate on this. This looks so good, babe. Who needs Snarfs when we got TiffanyMa?
You're tripping. Snarfs is fucking amazing. You've been looking so sexy and sophisticated lately.
Thanks, babe. Sophisticated? Is it the hair up?
The hair up and it's the outfits.
Look at this beautiful thing I made. So I just have some egg with onions, avocado, and I put some salt, pepper, and chili flakes in there. Matt is currently making some eggs and chicken breast for himself. You're obsessed with the sauce. What exactly is it? I haven't tried it yet.
Oh my god, you need to try it.
It's almond dip?
Yeah, it's vegan sauce, but it's so bomb. This one's smoky, not almond buttery at all, but fucking amazing.
I was getting more of the pretzel taste than anything else. I have to just lick.
It's so good.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like almond butter. That's so weird.
You know, like that stuff we get at the farmer's market?
That's good, yeah.
That's almond also. That's a vegan almond thing, very similar. This one's like more of a smoky, it's creamy. All their sauces are pretty creamy.
Hey guys, so I am in my bedroom right now. I call this my bedroom because this is where all of my like clothes and stuff is. And then Matt has his own bedroom where he has all his clothes in. But Matt is having a little conversation with his brother. And I figured I would just eat in the bedroom instead and get a little bit of work done. I'm so hungry and so excited. And I've been wanting to eat this for like the last 30 minutes. Just eating by myself now. It's pretty freaking good. It's so good. Holy cow. I did have chips, but I think I forgot to bring them in. I'm gonna work on editing some TikToks and stuff. And then in a little bit, Matt should be helping me take some photos. And I was gonna talk about my thoughts on Denver, but I don't really feel like talking right now. I just feel like eating. So I'll see you guys when I'm done eating. You should have seen the way that you bloom. Hey guys, it's a little bit later now. Matt actually helped me take some photos with Plan B, but right now we're heading to go get some coffee at like a local coffee shop, which is like the first walk we're gonna be doing together since we've been here for the last 10 days. It's snowing! Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yes! This is so nice. This is what I wanted. If it's gonna be 5 fucking degrees, it better be fucking snowing. Hey guys, so update here. The coffee shop was closed. We walked all the way there. They were completely closed. Matt's best friend, Mario, actually came to Colorado. They used to live in Colorado together. He's here to help Matt shoot a little music video, so I figured I'll show you guys a little behind the scenes of what they're shooting today. That's them. Lighting's so good right now, babe. It's so good. I think I saw your face.
I was trying to get a couple angles.
It's so cold out there. I decided to just not stay out there for that long. I know they're gonna do a bomb-ass job out there. I am kind of hungry. I want a snack. Matt is gonna make us dinner later tonight. It's 5:40 p.m. right now. I am gonna get some butter pound cake with strawberries and with cream. It's gonna be like dessert at like 6 p.m. because that's kind of what I'm craving right now. All right, it is cold outside. I just want some fucking dessert. We have pound cake, whipped cream, and strawberries. Don't care about making a little plate for myself. I'm just gonna eat it like this. It is officially 10 days since we have moved to Denver, and I don't think I want to leave. There are definitely some things I love about Denver, and there are definitely some things I don't love about Denver. So I figured we would talk about it while I eat some fucking cake. Let's just talk about how I feel about Denver so far. I definitely can see myself buying a house here, and honestly, Matt and I have not started looking for a house yet because there are actually no open houses in Denver, and we both talked about it. We both decided that we can't really buy a house without looking at it, and we also haven't really been able to explore the neighborhoods as much as we could. We honestly thought we would start exploring the neighborhoods right away. Both of us got caught up with work. Like, I got caught up with daily vlogging, which was a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. Matt's been working his normal 9-to-5 job every single day, and then at nighttime he's been working on his music. So it's just been difficult for both of us to kind of like get a feel for the neighborhoods, and I really like the neighborhood that I'm in right now. I'm in like the Cherry Creek, Capitol Hill neighborhoods, except it's so expensive here. It is so expensive. I don't know what I was thinking, but there are only really like 7 houses that are less than $1 million in this neighborhood, and both Matt and I don't want to spend more than like $1 million on a home because I already own a home in LA that was $1.3 million, and it makes sense to buy a house that's over $1 million in LA, but to buy a house that's over $1 million in Denver when we're only gonna live here part-time just didn't make sense at all. Although this was going to be a home that we kind of had for our future, we might have to like wait another like 6 months to save up a little bit more money, or wait until next year. That way we just have a little bit more money to spend on a home. But things I really like about Denver are the people. First day I was in Denver, not super happy with the people because there was a fucking Karen who literally shoved me and then called me a bitch when I literally did nothing to her. But since that incident, I've literally met so many nice people. I went to Target the other day and literally had like a 15-minute conversation with my cashier about houses and neighborhoods in Denver, and she was trying to help me figure out a good neighborhood to live in. Like literally so many people are so nice to me. Like the guy that gave me free fries. We went to the Vietnamese restaurant yesterday and the hosts and the family who owns the place were so sweet to us. That's kind of what I like about Denver. Like no one really has ulterior motives. Like I feel like when I'm in LA, people are just like in a rush. They don't give a shit. They're in a hurry. They don't really want to talk to you unless they feel like they can get something out of you. But genuinely the people in Denver don't have like an ulterior motive. They just like want to talk to you because they're bored. Another thing I like about Denver is it's so pretty here. The only thing I don't like is that it's not pretty during the winter time. It's definitely pretty with snow here, but without the snow and it just being like -5 degrees without snow, it's just ugly and bland and it gets a little too cold for my liking personally. Another thing that is really enticing me about Denver is the traffic. The neighborhoods are so quiet. I feel like there isn't really like a bad part of Denver. There might be like a little bit sketchier areas. I feel like in LA there's definitely areas you try to avoid and you like don't want to walk outside in those areas. They're notorious for like murders and gangsters and gangs and drugs and all that type of stuff. Versus maybe I'm being really naive, but I don't know of any of those types of neighborhoods in Denver. Overall, I think I could see myself here. The only thing is I would really miss my friends, and I love my friends in LA, and I love the fact that my sisters are in California. They can come visit me. It's like a quick 6-hour drive. I'm not gonna lie, I cannot imagine walking Zoe in like 5-degree weather. I think she would absolutely hate me for it. I'd be too cold to do it. But I think I am getting used to the cold. Like today is like 30 degrees, and I was like, oh, it's not too bad. Like I'm not even wearing a real jacket. I'm still wearing a crop top, and I think I'm getting used to it, honestly. The mountains here are prettier. There is no beach, so that kind of sucks.
Baby?
Yeah?
Can you tell me how my hair's looking? Can you come out here and keep my hair check for like 3 minutes?
I can be your hair check for 3 minutes. Sorry guys, I had to leave to be Matt's hairstylist. I forgot what I was saying. I definitely can see myself in Denver. I don't think I can see myself full-time in Denver yet. I think it's gonna take me a few years when I have like children and I wanna settle down a little bit and I just wanna live in like a cheaper, quieter, nicer area. I definitely do think the schooling system in Denver is much better in LA. It's like super shitty in LA. In LA, if you wanna put your kid through like a nice school, you either have to live in a city where you get like 1,000 square foot house for like $1 million, or you put your children through private school. And I'm not gonna lie, I grew up in the public school system. I think I turned out completely fine. I don't want to put my children through private school. I just think that spoils them in a way. Maybe I can be completely wrong. Maybe so many of you guys could correct me if I'm wrong, but I just don't want my kids to grow up spoiled. As of right now, I don't want to do that. What I do want to do is eat this fucking pound cake. Let me know down below if you guys went through the public school system or the private school system and what you guys think about it. And if you were to have children, would you want your kids to go through the public school system or the private school system?
What?
Yeah?
Come out here.
1 second, I'm ending the vlog. Hey guys, don't be mad at me, but it's currently 10 p.m. and I have not vlogged the last like 2 or 3 hours of my day, which is totally fine. But Matt and I and Mario took him to Anise, which is like the Viet restaurant we went to yesterday. It is so freaking good. And I just want that restaurant to succeed. And I was so happy to go again today. Literally hands down my favorite restaurant in Denver by far. But I wanted to end the video here. Again, I feel so loved from you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support in my newest video that I posted today, which was I'm having a really shitty day, but you guys just made me realize that I should be more vulnerable and I shouldn't be scared to just open up and tell you guys what's going on in my life. Like all of us have issues, all of us have problems. Like I do in every single video, we have a question of the day. Today's question of the day comes from Epic Flicks. My name is Ava Pomaris and my question is, what is your favorite film and why? My favorite film is actually Crash. Crash is a movie that I think came out in like 2008. It's a really old ass movie. Crash follows 8 different people that are all living in Los Angeles and all of their storylines seem together. And they're all strangers to one another, but they meet in their own little ways. And it just shows how racism affects people. And it just shows the racist social structure that happens in our lives. I think it's actually an amazing movie. It's one of my favorite movies ever. ever. And it's definitely a deep movie. It's not like a shallow watching movie where you can just like put it on and watch something else and do your own thing and be on TikTok. It's like a movie you have to pay attention to, and it makes me bawl and cry every single time I watch that movie. So I want to know what your guys' favorite movie is. I'm really curious. And I love you guys so much. If you guys want to be a part of the next question of the day, make sure to leave some questions down below for me. But yeah, that is it with today's video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video for another daily vlog. Mwah. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.